We're astronauts on a voyage of love, exploring the mysteries of this celestial place. Ooh, yeah. Gravity can't hold us down. We're weightless in each other's arms. We dance among the stars so free. Our love is written in the constellations. start my day right. Without my cup of coffee, my caffeine delight. The aroma fills the air, it's a sweet sensation. I'm addicted to that Java, it's my daily salvation. The sun begins to rise, I stumble out of bed. I make my way to the kitchen, thoughts of coffee in my head. I run those beats so fine, and I savor every sip. I'm hooked on that coffee, it's my morning obsession. It gets me through the day with its bold flavor progression. I'm caught in a whirlwind of caffeine addiction. I'll always be a coffee lover, it's my affection. It's my affection. Late at night we're sneaking out, chasing dreams without a doubt. Street lights got us on our way, where we're going can't say. Whispered secrets in the dark, deep memories that what's far. Even stolen a moment that's after. Midnight adventures, we're breaking free. No rules or limits, just you and me. The hula night, we'll make it come, make it come. Every single morning, I can start my day right. Without my cup of coffee, my caffeine delight. The aroma fills the air, it's a sweet sensation. I'm addicted to that Java, it's my daily salvation. The sun begins to rise, I stumble out of bed. I make my way to the kitchen, thoughts of coffee in my head. I run those beats so fine, feel the savor every sip. I'm hooked on that coffee, it's my morning obsession. It gets me through the day with its bold flavor progression. I'm caught in a whirlwind of caffeine addiction. I'll always be a coffee lover, it's my affection. Late at night breeze, like a solid, weaving stories with our laughter. Each moment and moment that's after, it's after. Every single morning I can start my day right. Without my cup of coffee, my caffeine delight. The aroma fills the air, it's a sweet sensation. I'm addicted to that Java, it's my daily salvation. The sun begins to rise, I stumble out of bed. I make my way to the kitchen, thoughts of coffee in my head. I run those beats so fine, and I savor every sip. I'm hooked on that coffee, it's my morning obsession. It gets me through the day with its bold flavor progression. I'm caught in a whirlwind of caffeine addiction. I'll always be a coffee lover, it's my affection. It's my affection. Late at night we're sneaking out, chasing dreams without a doubt. Street lights got us on our way, where we're going can't say. Whispered secrets in the dark, deep memories that what's far. Even stolen a moment that's after. Midnight adventures, we're breaking free. No rules or limits, just you and me. The hula night, we'll make it come, make it come. Every single morning I can start my day right. Without my cup of coffee, my caffeine delight. The aroma fills the air, it's a sweet sensation. I'm addicted to that Java, it's my daily salvation. The sun begins to rise, I stumble out of bed. I make my way to the kitchen, thoughts of coffee in my head. I run those beats so fine, feel the savor every sip. I'm hooked on that coffee, it's my morning obsession. It gets me through the day with its bold flavor progression. chasing dreams without a doubt. Street